I'm not an expert on the arms race. Praise publicly, but criticize privately. War is never a lasting solution for any problem. I was willing to accept what I couldn't change. No sanction can stand against ignited minds. If we are not free, no one will respect us. Small aim is a crime, have a great aim. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a Sunday. For me, there is no such thing as a negative experience. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. I have met 18 million youth, and each wants to be unique. Do we not realize that self-respect comes with self-reliance? In India we only read about death, sickness, terrorism, crime. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity, we should not distort it. Poetry comes from the highest happiness or the deepest sorrow. Building capacity dissolves differences. It irons out inequalities. Great teachers emanate out of knowledge, passion and compassion. As a child of God, I am greater than anything that can happen to me. For me, there are two types of people, the young and the experienced. For success of any mission, it is necessary to have creative leadership. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. We should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. The youth need to be enabled to become job generators from job seekers. Economy forced me to become a vegetarian, but I finally started liking it. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. The wealth of information now available at the click of a finger amazes me. You see, God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. When a nation is surrounded by weaponized nations, she has to equip herself. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. India should walk on her own shadow, we must have our own development model. Life is a difficult game. You can win it only by retaining your birthright to be a person. What is politics? Political system is equal to development politics plus political politics. No religion has mandated killing others as a requirement for its sustenance or promotion. If you get no as an answer, remember no means next opportunity. So let's be positive. For great men, religion is a way of making friends, small people make religion a fighting tool. The president's post should not be politicized. Once a president is elected, he is above politics. Nations consist of people. And with their effort, a nation can accomplish all it could ever want. One of the very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. Be more dedicated to making solid achievements than in running after swift but synthetic happiness. India can live without nuclear weapons. That's our dream, and it should be the dream of the US also. I firmly believe that unless one has tasted the bitter pill of failure, one cannot aspire enough for success. Don't fear for facing failure in the first attempt, because even the successful math starts with 0 only. My 2020 vision for India is to transform it into a developed nation. That cannot be abstract, it is a lifeline. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. My view is that at a younger age your optimism is more and you have more imagination, etc. You have less bias. India has to be transformed into a developed nation, a prosperous nation and a healthy nation, with a value system. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success.